Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2013 on a 13 plate Volkswagen Hi-Up. This is the 1 litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Tornado Red, and it's covered 60,000 miles. So I'll have a good walk around to this real standout Volkswagen Up. Cracking looking bit of kit. Ever popular, of course, these Ups. We've sold countless numbers over the years. This is a March 2013 registered. 2 former keepers. Current owners had the car since November 2015, so a vast majority of its life. Extremely well maintained. We've got 9 service stamps in the book, so properly looked after throughout. We've got these lovely diamond cut 16-inch alloy wheels that are in really good condition actually. 5-door practicality. Cheap tax model, just £20 a year to tax on this Hi-Up. And one of the lowest insurance groups there are as well, just Group 2 insurance, they go up to 50, so really economical, 60 plus miles to the gallon as well on a combined run according to Volkswagen, so about as good as it gets in terms of a first time car or if you're looking for a commuter tool. And this is the Hi-Up spec, so really nice level of trim. You get the alloy wheels, remote central locking. It does come supplied with 2 keys. So we have a look inside. Really nice and tidy. You got a little bit of leather. Bolsters are all good, no rips or tears or any nasties. These front seats are both heated, which is a nice option to have on a small car like this. Heated front seats. All the door cards are in good shape. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. It's got its original Up carpet mats which run throughout. You got that cut-off steering wheel, which is also in really good shape. And then as we look inside, manual handbrake, cup holder at the back, 5-speed manual gearbox in front, 12-volt socket, another cup holder. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And then up above, these are heated seats controls, air conditioning of course, radio CD, auxiliary input, and you've also got Volkswagen sat-nav system, so you've got built-in satellite navigation on there. You've also got a trip computer and you can run your Bluetooth through that as well. So for a small car, really up together in terms of spec. Like I say, you've got that 5-door practicality on this one. Again, it's got its carpet mats here in the back. You got the pop-out rear windows, a couple of headrests, and the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. So they're 4-seaters, plenty of headroom because it's quite a boxy shape. And really looks the part on this Tornado Red. Round to the rear bumper, you've got your parking sensors across the back, and into the boot space itself. Split folding rear seats. You've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then you've got not a bad sized boot space at all, excuse me. It's a twin layer boot space, so this lifts up and then you get loads and loads of room down below, and it's also got the luxury of a spare wheel below that. So there we have it. March 2013 Volkswagen Hi-Up, 60,000 miles, 9 service stamps in the book, just £20 a year to tax. It's the cheap road tax, cheap insurance as well. Finance is available from less than £120 a month. That's based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking value, excellent looking little car, surely won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.